Hello, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem, just attempt to solve it, talk through my thought process, and hopefully it's useful to someone on here. So the problem I'm going to be attempting today is 1051 height checker. So I'm just going to read out the spec here. A school is trying to take an annual photo of all students. The students are asked to stand in a single file line in non-decreasing order by height. Let this ordering be represented by the integer array expected, where expected I is the expected height of the ith student in line. You're given an integer array called heights representing the current order that the students are standing in. Each height I is the height of the ith student in line, 0 indexed. Return a number of index where the height is not expected. So heights is equal to 114,213. Output is 3 because there are 3 positions where the heights are wrong, they're unexpected. Looking at the constraints, the length of the heights array is between 1 and 100, and each individual height is again between 1 and 100. So I'm just going to go over to my notes here, start making some notes. So I think this one's going to be fairly simple. I think we loop n times, check heights I is not equal to expected I if above is true, add 1 to count, and then we're going to return the count. So let's try this. So we're going to do for I, and we're going to say for num, or for height, and range length of heights. And then we're going to do if height does not equal heights, or what's it? Are we passed? Oh, you're not actually passed in the expected. Okay. In that case, we're gonna have to sort heights, call it expected. Okay. Let's put that in here. So expected is equal to sorted heights. We're gonna add 1 to count. There we go. And then we're just gonna return count. And these test cases pass. Gonna hit submit. And it got accepted. So thank you very much for watching the video. I hope it was useful to you in some way, shape or form. If it was, please let me know, or if there was maybe some other solution you had to this problem, please let me know in the comments below. I love discussing these problems. And yeah, thank you once again for watching, and I hope you have a great day.